a bunch of these guys. And the way that I make these guys is obviously they have robes on and fabric. But there is, you need one head form with shoulders, okay? And if you look at it, you can see that I made a tape cast of this. I made a tape cast of the head form. The tape is, still there. You cut the tape it back together, and then foam it with fence post foam from Home Depot. And you'll get one of these for every bag of fence post foam. And that's like $11. It's the Sika fence post foam from Home Depot or Lowe's. They both sell it. So that's this piece here. And then there's a PVC pipe, which goes down into a 5-gallon bucket full of, well, not full, has half a bag of Quikrete in it. The bag of Quikrete's about $7, and you're using half of a bag. So these cost less than 20 bucks a piece. The black fabric is just fabric that we have. I make 2 tabards. One goes this way to fill out, up front, and then one goes the other way. I have some more over here that I'll show you. Here's a couple. So yeah, we have a room full of these guys. We make them at different heights. Obviously you don't want them all the same, but they're all built that exact same way. We have a head, you can get a mannequin head form to do your tape cast off of, bucket, fabric. And when people walk into this room, they kind of wig out because there's actually way more than this. Our crew likes to move them around the show to scare each other. So there's a lot of them in different places. Yeah, here's some more. And this guy is set askew, but they're easy to carry and move around, and they get the job done. So there you go. Hope that helps some. Now I say, go make stuff.